Hello everybody, a little update here at the Scooter Motor Shop and a little update on the inventory. We still have AR-50, probably the best price in Boston. I'm not kidding you, we're probably 300 to 500 below most of the competition around us within 20-mile radius. Okay, so what else we got going on? We still have SSR pit bikes, 110s, 125s, 125 big wheel. We got street legal scooters, the Wickeds, the Peace Sports, all different colors. There's more in the back in boxes that we can put together for you. We still got Lance Cabo going on, it's beautiful. And we got Peace Sports 808 and 50cc or 150cc. And we still get the best deal on an e-bike, which will get you 50-60 mile radius, 13 amp battery, really fast, fat wheel e-bike. Come see us at the shop, get your bike here, get your accessories, your mods, your security stuff, whatever you need.